As a manufacturer, your main priority is to eliminate losses in your production floor. You also need to avoid costly mistakes while designing product flows for a building expansion or renovation. Adopting a browser-based 3D model of your facility will allow you to visualize your processes and identify potential problems. Moicon strives to solve the most common manufacturing pain points in the industry by combining gamification technology and decades of industry expertise. Your company may be struggling with production downtime and equipment maintenance issues. Our platform and features allow you to replicate and visualize real-time data collected from your facility. You may be looking to expand your current facilities, relocate to an older existing building, or build entirely from scratch. You need a solution that allows you to plan and execute your new value streams. Moicon has tools to help you measure and place equipment, test simulations of processes, and save floor plan layouts before implementation. One thing is for certain, and that is that IoT and sensor data interpretation is an important element for manufacturers around the world. This is what a digital twin can do. Contact our team today to schedule a quick chat to discuss your pain points and learn how a Moicon Digital Twin could be the tool your company has been looking for. Explore a world of new opportunities with Moicon today.